Today I am going to talk about International Day of Women and Girls in Science. Science helps us understand the world. It gives medicine, electricity and rocket. This day tells us that girl can also become a great scientist. This day encourages girls to take part in science and technology. Science is both for girls and boys. Women scientists inspire the world with their achievements. Many women like Kalpana Chawla and Marie Curie become a great scientist. They follow their dreams. I am Marie Curie, a girl from Barsha, driven by curiosity, chasing the mysterious and science. Here we go, learning things, watch us grow. Girls and boys, both can try. Reach the stars up in the sky. Ask questions each day. Science help us to find the way. Thank you.